Welcome to Let's Make Shit, the show where I make whatever I feel like, and I bring you along with me. On today's episode, we're gonna make a flexible desk lamp. So I was at Target about a year or so ago and I found this iPad holder and I picked up that lamp from some estate sale or thrift store and I figured, hey, I'll put them together and make like a flexible lamp. This is trying to figure out like how to put them together. And after taking that apart, I noticed there was a screw in the back of the ball socket attachment. So I got a screwdriver and I just took the screw out. Initially, the plan was to 3D print a plate that would fit underneath that circular bracket on the light. And then upon looking at the hole on the socket attachment, I was like, why don't I just attach it directly? So I ended up taking the bracket off the lamp so I could access the bolt in the bottom. And I realized the hole was too small compared to the original thread on the bracket, so I ended up drilling it out. After I drilled out the hole, while the thread fit, I realized it's too short, so I went and grabbed a nut and bolt and some washers from my inventory that I have at home. Next was cutting the pins flush so that it would fit flat against the bracket. And this is just trimmed them and sanded it down. And I put a rubber washer on top of it just to add some support. And then all it was needed was to attach it to the bracket. And just some washers and a nut, and worked just fine. Then I just needed to attach the bracket back on the lamp and then test to see if it fits on the socket. And it fit really well. Next was finding a place to put it. I had a little gap underneath my pegboard, so I thought, hey, this will fit perfectly right here. So I attached it there and then zip tied the cabling to the arm just so that way it's out of the way, and gave myself a little bit of slack so that I can move it around without it kinking up. And the button fits right behind my desk so I can reach back and just turn it on that way. Worked out all right. So thank you for joining me in my very first episode of this channel. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.